can see the name of this desert is written. This is Thar Desert. The question can be asked like this. This area, the yellow one area, you can see along with this pointer, you can see over here. This is the whole area is the Thar Desert. Lies towards the western direction of Indian subcontinent, especially in Rajasthan. Okay. Now, what are the features of the Indian deserts? Lies towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills. Western margins of the Aravalli Hills. Undulating sandy plain. Undulating means undulating means uneven, means it is not a flat surface. Okay. Ubad khabad in Hindi we can say. Undulating sandy plain. Sandy because this is a desert. So sandy plain covered with sand dunes. Number of dunes are actually the big heaps of the sands. Okay. So these heaps of sands are known as the dunes. So this region receives very low rainfall, below 150 millimeter per year or less than 25 centimeter per year. Beta 150, this is millimeter, and normally the precipitation we write in centimeter. So that is less than 25 centimeter per annum. It has arid climate with low vegetation cover. Yes, arid climate, this is also known as arid region of the country or arid area of the country. Arid means hot and dry region. Okay. Temperature is too hot, and because of less rainfall, the moisture content is also not there. So that is a dry region, and due to the arid and hot and dry region, vegetation is low vegetation. Only shrub type of or bushes only we can find over here. Streams appear during the rainy season. Number of streams originate when there is a good amount of rain. So that time some rivers, local rivers, we can notice or get disappear. Soon after they disappear into the sand, and gradually means such rivers, such streams do not cover the long area. Okay. Because the velocity, the amount of water in those rivers and the velocity of that water is very slow and gradual. So that is why after some distance, these streams get disappeared into the sand, as they do not have enough water to reach the sea. Okay. These rivers, the rivers or the streams which flow through this region do not drain their water into Arabian Sea. Okay. They get disappeared into sand after some distances. Luni is the only large river in this region. This is the only large river in this region which flow through this region. Barchans cover larger areas, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. Beta Barcha, it is a feature, geographical feature. These are the crescent shaped dunes. Crescent, maybe you have seen the crescent moon. So such type of crescent shaped is formed by sand also. These crescent shaped dunes are known as barchas. Locally in this desert area, covered larger area. Okay, in maximum part, basically if you visit Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Badmer, these are the big cities which comes under the Thar Desert. So here we can find such type of dunes. And these dunes are more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary, where the Indo-Pak border get merged or is observed. Such barchans are more prominent, means in a number of amount we can find such barchans over there. Now here in the map you can see lie towards the western margin of the Aravalli Hills. This is the Aravalli Hill, this side is the eastern margin and this is the western margin. So, they lie parallel to the western margin of the Aravalli Hills. Here you can see these, this is the Indo-Pak border, and here we can find barchans in big amount. Okay, this is the sandy surface plain, okay, and Luni is the only river. The temperature is too hot and dry. Less amount of rain is less than 25 centimeter per annum. So, this is Thar desert. Okay. Now, the another physiographic division of our country is the coastal plains. Coastal plains, because India is a peninsular country. You can see India is a peninsular country, and that is why it is bounded by water body. So,